Hey everyone, welcome back to the tax show for people who owe. I'm Dave.
And I'm Phil.
And today we're going to talk about liens and real estate transactions and how they go together. Now Phil, how do they go together?
Like water and oil.
Not very well. So specifically, if you're trying to sell a piece of real estate and you owe taxes, or you're trying to refinance a piece of real estate, you're probably going to have some issues with a lien. So Phil, what are some of the issues that we might see if we owe taxes and we're trying to do one of those things?
Typically, if you're trying to sell, IRS is going to have first dibs on that property or any equity that's available. But the first question I would ask you, David, is, are liens already filed?
I don't know.
Right? And so if you don't know, you would probably go to your city recorder and pull the title records, and you don't want to find out an escrow, right?
Yeah. A lot of clients call us because a lien is holding up a real estate transaction, whether it be a refinance or a sale of property. So Phil, what can we do at that point?
There's very little we can do in that short period of time unless they're willing to pay the bill.
So I'm assuming this didn't happen overnight?
Correct. Usually for a lien to become a notice of federal tax lien, it's going to take probably over a year from owing the tax debt.
Okay, so what we suggest, if you do owe real estate and happen to owe the IRS, Uncle Sam, you should probably have a professional look at it or try to find the information yourself before you get in this type of jam. Because it could really mess up a transaction, potentially blow it up where it doesn't happen at all, right?
Correct. Timing is everything here.
Okay, so what are some of the options I have, Phil, if I am a taxpayer who owes and I have a lien on my property?
So if you have a lien already, unfortunately your options are limited. The easiest way is pay off the lien, but that's not going to be feasible for most clients. So the most recommended option that we present is to pay down your assessed balance to $25,000 or less and be set up on a direct debit installment agreement.
So that will open up some options for me, I'm assuming?
Yes, after about 3 direct debit payments, you will have the ability to withdraw the lien from the property.
Got it. So that lien's removed. I can now complete my transaction and the IRS isn't going to get in my way?
Correct.
Okay, so that sounds fantastic. So again, what you don't want to do is to wait until you're considering a refinance or sale of property. You want to get ahead of it to avoid that 3-month, potentially longer process to get things corrected.
That's absolutely correct. And like you noted, it is going to take more than 3 months. Leave yourself enough room, enough time to get this all sorted out before you find yourself in a pinch.
Okay, so if you guys owe taxes, you own real estate, you may want to have a professional look at your situation to see if you may qualify for a lien removal before you actually need it. You can do that by downloading our app and see if you qualify. Phil, any last parting words for today?
As usual, do something.
Do something, especially if you're in a real estate transaction. Thank you for joining everyone today. We'll see you next time. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us. Be sure to like
And subscribe
to all of our YouTube videos. And if you need more information on Optima Tax Relief, please go to our website, optimataxrelief.com.